Founder Tsunekichi Takuma, who had previously invented the first water tube type boiler to be entirely produced in Japan, established our company in 1938. Ever since then, Takuma has created boilers for various applications as an industry pioneer, carrying on its philosophy of serving society and protecting the environment through boiler manufacturing. To realize his vision, Tsunekichi established the Harima Factory as a manufacturing center for Takuma products in 1942. For about a century, we have manufactured high-quality, reliable products and earned the trust of customers, as well as meeting the needs of society. We are now being called on to help create a more sustainable society by addressing climate change and promoting circular economies. At the same time, customer needs are becoming more diverse. For example, there is an increasing demand for larger capacity boilers, as well as the ones that operate at higher temperatures and pressures. To help meet these needs and provide even greater contributions to society and the environment, the new, improved production center, the Takuma Harima Factory, was opened in January 2023. Productivity has been improved by rearranging equipment layout for optimal production efficiency, automating operations, and introducing digital technologies. Digital tools have been used to analyze the masterly skills of technical experts. This helps improve the technical capabilities of junior workmen and ensures that skills are passed on to later generations. As a part of the factory's eco-friendly, person-friendly design, a courtyard has been created for employees to relax and unwind. The emergency power equipment and supply stockpiles, flooding countermeasures, and improved seismic resistance enable it to be used as an evacuation site in times of disaster. It is also environmentally friendly thanks to its improved lighting, superior insulation performance, and use of rainwater. Furthermore, the facility is powered completely by renewable energy, so it helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The Takuma Harima Factory is a human-friendly, eco-friendly, sustainable production center that will continue to meet the needs of customers and society. Creating the future, the Takuma Harima Factory. The Takuma Harima Factory is now even more eco-friendly and has an even higher level of productivity. Let's have a look at its production equipment through the processes used in boiler manufacturing. Boilers generate hot water and steam using heat reclaimed from combustion. The boiler manufacturing process involves forming, welding, assembly, and inspection. First, thick sheets of shell plate that has been cut according to boiler design diagrams is formed into semicircular shapes using a 5,000-ton press machine. The press can handle plate up to approximately 100 millimeters thick. Next, both ends of the semicircular plates are machined for accurate welding grooves using a plano miller. These will later be assembled into a cylinder and welded together. This equipment uses machining programs which enable automatic operation. Digitally controlled welding is then performed on the cylindrical shell plates. To relieve any stress that welding may have caused, the boiler drum undergoes heat treatment called annealing. The gas annealing furnace normally reaches temperatures of approximately 600 degrees Celsius. Water tubes are also critical boiler components. Takuma performs bending using proprietary technologies and its long years of experience. Radiographic testing is then performed to check the welding condition to make sure the requirements are satisfied. The radiographic chamber is large enough to accommodate drums of up to 20 meters in length. Various other processes and rigorous inspections are performed before the boiler products are shipped. The skills of craftsmen, who are thoroughly knowledgeable about welding and the properties of iron, are vital to boiler manufacturing. We combine the latest equipment with the skills of craftsmen to satisfy the requests of our customers and create products that meet society's needs, constantly pursuing the ultimate in quality. Boilers are partially assembled at the factory to a size that does not interfere with transportation. Then final assembly is performed on site. The factory also has an R&D center where we coordinate with Konkyo Soltech, an environment measurement and analysis service company. Together, we develop various types of combustion experiments, boiler technologies, waste treatment technologies, and water treatment technologies for achieving high levels of efficiency and performance while protecting the environment. The new factory is also home to a new and innovative section, the Supply Lab. The plants supplied by Takuma are infrastructure facilities which customers will be using for decades to come. Ensuring stable operation is the highest priority. It is important to manage spare parts and keep them on hand so that if a plant's operations are shut down due to aging or malfunctioning equipment, operations can be restored quickly. Typically, spare parts are managed separately for each facility. Many facilities only have limited quantities of specific parts on hand, and they replenish their stock when these parts are used. However, they sometimes suffer spare parts shortages due to unexpected wear or disruptions to supply networks caused by disasters or military conflicts, which hinder the stable operation of plants. Takuma uses ICT to collect spare parts inventory information for all plants across Japan and manage it in the Supply Lab. It also coordinates with Solution Lab, the remote monitoring and operation support center located in the Takuma head office, to provide extensive after-sales operation and maintenance services. We are planning to treat each plant that stocks spare parts and each parts manufacturer's factory across the country as a warehouse in the future. We will create a system in which all the plants are aware of inventory levels in neighboring warehouses so that spare parts can be rapidly supplied to them on demand. Takuma's business is primarily focused on the renewable energy utilization and environmental conservation fields, where we supply waste treatment facilities with boilers, biomass power plants, and water treatment plants, along with operation management and after-sales services. The Takuma Harima Factory has been reborn to better respond to environmental problems and meet the needs of society. Takuma will continue to strive to contribute to society by providing goods and services that are needed and recognized as valuable in society.